Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to reset Instagram Explore page. So let's just begin. So here, as you can see here, that we are inside our Instagram profile, and we're gonna jump into our Explore page. And you can see here, this is the content that we have here. And to reset this content, I'm gonna go back into my profile, and here we're gonna tap on the icon that we have on the top right corner. And here you can see the options of, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see the option of content preferences. Okay, so we have to tap on that. Here we have the different options in which we can jump into. So we can see the content that we are interested, we can see the content that we are not interested, and other than that we also have the other options. So if I click on the interested, you'll be able to see it will show me the content that I have tapped on as the interested content. And if I go back to the not interested, it will also show the same thing here. And after this, we have the specific words and the phrases that you want to avoid or something like that. You can also add that or remove that. But since we haven't added anything, so this is the default setting that we have on this option. And after this, we have the sensitive content. So if you want to change the option from here, so you can simply do that. But this is the standard value that we got by default. Then we have the political content. So you can also disable whether you want to get the political content or not. So this is the setting that we have on by default. And after this, we have this option of snooze suggested posts in feed. So you can also enable this if you wanted to, but this is the default setting that we got. But if you want to reset the suggested content, what you can do, you can simply tap on reset suggested content. And basically, it will remove all the things that you have in the interested, not interested. Maybe you have changed some setting on the other options. That will be go back to the default version. So you can simply tap on next. I'm going to simply tap on reset suggested content. Let's just tap on it again. Now let's just jump back to our Instagram Explore page. Let's just refresh this. Now we might be able to get some different content here. So that is how you can reset Instagram Explore page. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.